Ready to protect what matters most? Let's dive into how to apply for State Farm insurance. First, you have two main options: applying online or working with a State Farm agent. Let's start with the online application. Begin by going to the State Farm website, navigate to the insurance section. Then select the type of insurance you need, whether it's auto, home, life, or something else. Click on the insurance type and you will be taken to a form. You'll need to provide some information for auto insurance. That includes details about your vehicle, your driving history, and other drivers on the policy. Homeowners insurance requires your property information, like its address and construction details. Now, if you prefer to apply with an agent, go to the website and use the Find an Agent tool to locate a State Farm agent near you. You can schedule a call or a meeting at their office. Depending on your preferences, the agent can walk you through the entire process, answering your questions and offering personalized advice. Consider what specific insurance options fit your needs. State Farm offers a variety of coverage types: auto, homeowners, renters, life, and even more specialized coverages. Assess your current needs and get a quote based on your selected coverage. Once you've selected your insurance plan and answered all the questions, you will likely need to submit your application and review your quote. Whether applying online or via an agent, carefully review all the details. This is your chance to ensure everything is accurate. Next, you'll be able to provide your payment details. Review the details on your new policy. Remember to keep your policy documents organized for easy access. Welcome aboard, and protect yourself with proper coverage. #insurance application #State Farm.